Hey guys, I'm going to share one of the newest effects that I've learned. This effect was developed or created by Michael Kent, a fellow magician out there, and it's a pretty fun one, so I felt I'd take a clip here and share with you guys. So it involves a knife, so here I'll just pop that open, just a carpenter's knife, something sharp, and then some balloons. Just regular balloons. Okay, let's have a few left here. Okay, grab one of these here. Okay, so there's the balloon. Just one. Okay. Okay. Nothing in my hands. Okay. Hope you like it. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.